We'll guide you through how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Microsoft Outlook, and so you want to go and schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Perhaps you need to go and have a meeting with a client or a colleague, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go and schedule it, and you can then go and have the Teams meeting set up and ready for when you need it to be. So just make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do in Outlook is come over to the left, and you want to then go and find the option for calendar like so. Your calendar will then go and open up, and you can go and see it here. So you may go and find that you're quite busy, but you can just go through here and go and choose where you want to go and have the meeting. We're going to set that in a moment. What you need to do though is come to the top left and go and find the option for new event. And you can go and click there, and you want to go and select event. This will then go and pop up. Now, what you need to do at the top here is you can go and add a title for it. So you could go and say business sales call. Now, what you need to do is go and invite the required attendees. So you can go and click here. We've got some suggested contacts, but what you can do is go and search for a specific contact by typing in their name. But you can also just go and type in an email if you haven't got them added as a contact as well. So I'm going to go and add this contact here, and I could go and add others as well. Now, what we can then do is you can go and choose when this is going to go and be. So the moment is set to Monday, the 22nd, which is actually today, and it's at 3 to 3:30. But we can click here, and we can then go and press the calendar to the right of the date. And let's go and set I wanted it on the 23rd. I can then go and choose the start time and the end time. If it's all day, you can select all day. And if you want to go and have it recurring, you can click that there. This means that it will then go and recur when you want it to. So at the moment it's set to repeat once every week, but I could do it a month or year or daily if it was like a morning stand-up meeting. So yeah, I'm going to not have it recurring. I just want it as a one-off one. Then you can set a location if you want, but what's super key is you go and switch on Teams meeting. As you can see, that's really important. You can then add any notes regarding the meeting as well. So the people who are on here can go and see some useful information. And then what you can then do at the top here is you can go and see that we're currently going to be set as busy. Choose the reminder. So we've got 50 minutes before, and you can add an email reminder as well, which is really convenient. Set a category if you want, choose if you want it to be private. And also you can go and print it if you want to as well. Now, when you're ready, you can go and press send in the top left like this. Then what's going to go and happen is it's going to go and be scheduled. So you can go and see it's appearing in the calendar here. So we'll shortly go and click on that like this, and this will go and open up, and you'll then go and see the join button. So you could go and join it by clicking here. I'll show you that in a moment. I just want to go and show you what it's going to look like for the recipients. So I'll go and show you one of the emails I added here. Your recipients will go and receive the email like this, and they can then go and read through it, and they can go and join the meeting by pressing here, and they can go and see some different options like downloading Teams as well. So just to go and show you it here as well. So when you go and click on it, you'll go and have this pop up, and you can go and press join, and this will then go and open up, and we'll just go and press always allow Teams to open up the associated app, or leave unselected and press open Microsoft Teams. Teams will then go and open up, as you can see, and we're now on the meeting. Choose the audio here, and if you want your camera on, and you can then press join now. But you can go and see that it's scheduled for 3 o'clock on Tuesday. So that's it. When it's that time, you'll go and be reminded, but you can also just go and check your calendar and go and find that out. And then when you're ready, you can go and press join now, and the others can go and join, and you can go and have your meeting, whatever it's about. So that's it. Hopefully, with the help of this video, you've now managed to go and schedule a Teams meeting in Outlook. And that's it. Of course, you can then go and return to your inbox pressing mail in the top left. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again, whatever it is regarding. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Feel free to put any content suggestions you have down below as well, and look forward to going and checking them out.